Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftwares1891. Today we are here with the best topic 10 best whiteboard animation software with buying guides and reviews. Are you searching for the best cost-effective animation software that offer different functionalities such as an image library, animation tools, voice over recording, or drawing tools? Then you are at the correct junction. Stay with us and get the information and explore the best whiteboard animation software for your businesses, educations, and other purposes. Before moving on the top 10 list, don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftwares1891. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friend. Number 1. Dotly Platforms Features. To make it fun and easy for regular people with literally no video training to create amazing professional Dotly videos in a matter of minutes. Lots of scenes, transitions, textures, and props. Easy to customize. The active community of 1000+ users, best for beginners. Number 2. Video Scribe. Let's know its features. High quality output and professional finish, copyright free audio tracks, save time and effort in creating video. Integrated voice over recording options, customizations options, multi-language support, and voice over recording. Number 3. My Simple Show. Let's know its features. High customizable templates, excellent text to video technology, pictures friendly interface, user friendly interface, customizable templates, custom animations and visual effect, music and voice over tool. Number 4. Explaindio. Let's know its features. Attentions grabbing, custom transitions affordable for small and medium-sized enterprise, supports a variety of file format, full 3D animations, get more lead and sales, get 100% free traffic, no technical skills, coding or programming required. Number 5. Easy Sketch Pro. Let's know its features. Simple user interface, customizable templates, built-in characters and image, pro designs template, text-to-speech functions, exporting and sharing options, voice over recording. Number 6. Auton. Let's know its features. Auton is a cloud-based whiteboard animation software, comprehensive editing tools. Mini courses are available, produce unique animation flags. You can create engaging and dynamic animated video and presentations, ability to create animated characters. Animaker. Let's know its features. Multiple animation style and effect, video export options, multi-track video formations, timelines. User can create 2D animations using a drag and drop interface to easily add and arrange elements such as characters, background, props, and text. User friendly and accessible. Number 8. Render Force. Let's know its features. Intuitive tools for whiteboard animations, creations, audio file management system, options for audio capturing, 3D explainer video, professional quality video animations, logo and websites, technical experience to quickly and easily create high quality visual content. Number 9. Mowgli. Let's know its features. Simple user interface with the drag and drop editor, extensive collections of themes and templates, no need for powerful hardware, user-friendly interface, tools and features to help user create professional quality video. Number 10. Beyond. Let's know its features. Real-time collaborations feature advanced animation software, create engaging videos using a variety of pre-built templates, characters, background, and props. User can produce high-quality whiteboard animations video for different purposes, including explainer video, marketing content, educational content. Now we discuss the best 10 whiteboard animation software. If you want to create any presentation for your small and large businesses, yeah, educational purpose, yeah, any other purposes, so you can use any software from these explained top 10. Now we are going to share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can see some screenshot on the screen. uh, this screenshot is collected from the expert user. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestadvancedsoftwares.com. Join us on our social platform like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftwares1891. Thanks for watching.